Why is RP integration complex for legacy systems? Have you ever wondered why integrating robotic process automation with older systems can be such a challenge? Let's break it down in a straightforward way. Robotic process automation, often called RPA, is designed to streamline tasks and improve efficiency. However, when it comes to older systems, the integration process can become quite complicated. One major reason is that many legacy systems were not built to work with modern automation tools. These systems often lack application programming interfaces, which are essential for smooth communication between different software. Without these APIs, RPA tools have to interact with legacy systems through user interfaces. This method is not only less efficient but also more likely to lead to errors. Imagine trying to communicate with someone without a common language. It can be frustrating and confusing. Another factor is that many older systems operate in isolated environments. They often have strict security measures like firewalls that make it hard for RPA bots to access or exchange data directly. This means that RPA tools must navigate through these barriers, which adds another layer of complexity to the integration process. Additionally, legacy systems may use outdated programming languages or architectures. This can limit the number of skilled professionals available to modify or extend these systems safely. Making changes to these systems can be risky since they often support critical business functions. Any downtime or errors could lead to significant issues for the organization. Integration also requires a lot of customization. To bridge the gap between old and new technologies, organizations may need to develop middleware or custom connectors. This not only increases the time it takes to implement RPA but also raises costs. Moreover, legacy systems often have multiple interfaces and different data formats. This diversity complicates the design of automation workflows, making it harder to create a seamless process. From a practical standpoint, organizations need to plan RPA deployment carefully when dealing with legacy systems. It's usually best to start with small pilot projects. This allows businesses to gradually scale automation while ensuring that existing processes remain stable. Using RPA can still lead to productivity gains by automating repetitive tasks performed through user interfaces. However, the challenges of integration requiring technical know-how and ongoing maintenance to keep everything running smoothly. In summary, integrating RPA with legacy systems is complex due to the lack of modern interfaces, security restrictions, outdated technology, and the critical nature of these systems. Overcoming these challenges involves customized solutions and careful planning to successfully automate workflows in environments built on older technology.